Hi everyone, this is me Farhan. You are watching Farhan Pels. Did you see all the Bajaj bikes has coming with this logo Bajaj DTSI technology? What is the technology means? How the technology works? Why the reason only Bajaj bikes has this technology DTSI technology? Is there any useful behind this technology or any loss behind this technology? Let's move on to this video. The Bajaj DTSI is a pattern get from the Bajaj, because the pattern only get and the technology was developed by the Bajaj engineers. So the pattern goes to the Bajaj. What is it mean? What is the expansion of DTSI? DTSI means digital twin spark ignition. The word itself has its meaning. Twin spark, that means dual spark plugs are present in this bike. Did you see in this image? There is two spark plugs present in the cylinder head. So the combustion is efficient and more power we can get. In this picture we can clearly visible there is two spark plugs, but other than the DTSI engines there is a single spark plug will present, because Bajaj has got the pattern for that DTSI technology. So what is the use of this technology? Because the 75% full combustion will occur in this DTSI type engine, but rather than in a conventional 4-stroke engine, it is not done by the normal engines, because there is a single spark plug are present. So it is difficult to burn complete air fuel mixture, but in a DTSI engine there is a complete burning which results in a higher mileage and good mileage, and more power, 26% more power can be get by these two spark plugs, and lesser emission. The biggest good thing in this technology is 26% lesser emission rather than other conventional 4-stroke engines. In a DTSI engine there is much lesser emission, so people prefer to buy Pulsars like that vehicles. How it works? It is controlled by a ECU, electronic control unit. By this unit the spark can be given through the wires. This is the working principle of DTSI engine. Check it out. Did you have your Pulsar or any kind of Bajaj bike? Did you have this technology? You will see both sides with spark plug cups. Thank you.